Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Todd and it's time to get cooking again. So today we're making chicken flavored noodles with peas and carrots. So let's get our ingredients together. For our chicken flavored noodles, we're going to need the following: a package of egg noodles, chicken broth, stick of butter, cream of chicken soup, frozen peas and carrots, and chicken bouillon seasoning. So let's get over and start cooking. So the first thing we need to do is put our chicken broth into a large deep dish skillet, and we're going to heat this up to a boil. Oops, I'm just sitting there making a mess. There we go. And to that, we're going to add some of our chicken bouillon seasoning and give that a quick stir. And once this gets up to a boil, then we're going to start adding in our noodles and our other ingredients. Alright, so our broth is coming up to a boil. To this, we are going to add in our condensed chicken soup. And we're going to add in some pepper. Give that a good stir. And to this, we are going to add in our bag of egg noodles. Give that a stir. And then we are going to add in a stick of butter. And what we're going to do is we're going to let this come back up to a boil. And then once it's boiling, we're going to put a lid on it. Alright, so our noodles have come back up to a boil. To this, we are going to add in our peas and carrots. And we're going to give that a stir. And we're going to let this come back up to a boil, and then we're going to cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. Alright, so this is starting to come up to a boil, so we're going to put a lid on this and we're going to turn it down just a bit, and we're going to let this cook for 5 minutes. Alright, so this has been going for 5 minutes. I'm going to remove the lid. I'm going to give this a quick stir, and now we're going to turn off our heat and remove the noodles from heat, and we're going to let them sit for another 5 minutes. So we'll be back shortly. Okay, so our noodles have been resting for 5 minutes, and we're going to remove the lid, give these a quick stir. Now, if you wanted, this is a really customizable recipe. If you wanted, you could actually add chicken to this. And if you aren't in the mood for chicken, you can always substitute the the chicken broth for beef broth. So let's get some plated up. All right, there we go. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video. New videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, enjoy.